Hello guys and girls and welcome back. Yes, it's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you how I was able to make up to $750 trading gold using the Neo indicator. So this is going to be a after video. The last one I just dropped was a before, and now I'm going to show you exactly after what happened with gold. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. And don't forget, whilst you're here, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and push those notifications. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so right now you can see I'm on my MT4 chart and I have the Neo indicator / expert advisor on the chart showing me what I could be looking for on gold in terms of my key levels. So as I explained in the last video, these squares that you do see on the chart, they're printing out all of the market structure areas where gold could possibly buy or sell from if we see a rejection, a break of structure, or a change of character from that area. Now what we can see here is I've marked out all of these horizontal lines, and yes, I have put this on the chart myself, but it's very easy for you to be able to see because you're just looking for wherever the previous squares were on the chart. On my last video, I marked out some of these levels here, and we're going to be paying attention to what happened with this buy, and then we're also going to be paying attention to what happened with this sell, and then this buy again that is just happening at the moment. So you can see I marked out this horizontal line here because of this square that's actually on the chart here, and then there's another square over here for the possible sell. Now this is what helped me find this buy going up here, and then when we're paying attention to what happened with this buy that came up from here, you can see that there was another level in the market right over here. So let's pop down to the 5-minute time frame and see what's actually going on. Now when we come down to the 5-minute time frame, this is exactly how I was able to take the trade. It did come through in Asian session and I was actually up pretty late in the UK. This was about 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, and sometimes you've got to be in it to win it. And as we can see here, there was a break of structure right here in the market, and my entry was around this candle here that managed to break out, and this is where I managed to catch the $600 plus trade that I will be showing you in a minute. So I managed to catch price action from around here all the way up to this level here before I decided to close my trade, and that was about 120 pips. Now when we pay attention to what's going on over here, remember there was a resistance level here that we previously saw in the market on the 1-hour time frame, and therefore we just had to wait for a 5-minute break of structure for a possible sell. There was a possible sell trade set up that came in there, and you could have had your stop loss just above here, and of course this was another 140 pips. One of the members in my Discord actually managed to catch this trade setup even just using price action. It was a very good sell trade. Now we can see there was another break of structure over here for this possible trade, which rounded up my account to $750. Again, you can see why I took that trade. Price action was on a previous 1-hour Neo key level that the market had produced, and therefore what we saw next was a break of structure right over here in the market, and around this area was where I took my trade setup. And again, my stop loss was just below this level here because I could see that there's a market structure level there, and of course price action's going up now. So I have set my trade to a break even. I might leave it running because it could come back up here and clear all of this imbalance that actually happened here in the market. Now this was a very simple trading setup. I want you guys and girls to understand that before a break of structure or a change of character happens, you can actually switch on the auto trading button, and the EA that's programmed into Neo will take this trade setup for you. I've shown you a before and I've shown you an after. Yes, it is basic support and resistance, supply demand, order blocks, whatever you want to call it, but at least it's being shown for you, so it's very beginner friendly, and you can easily just mark up these levels with a horizontal line. Now when we go over to NZD USD, you can see I'm currently in this trade for a buy right now, and this was one of the signal trades I actually gave out in the VIP service. So right over here is one of my VIP service groups, and this is for my day/swing trades. I have another one for my midweek reversals where I do actually give out trade setups like this as well, and if I do find a possible level which could be a pending order, I will also put that in this group as well. As you can see right up here, I'm putting sell limits and buy limits for people to be able to take possible trade setups. So you can see over here right now, I was telling traders that we were looking for a buy setup to happen here in the market. I did want price action to come and break this liquidity, but of course they don't have to do that if they don't want to. Price action came right next to it and started resting. There was liquidity over here in the market that it did actually grab, so that could have been the one they just wanted to go for with this sell trade, and then we've now seen a possible buy setup. Heading back over to MT4 before. Now we can see exactly how it looks. So we do see the liquidity grab that's happened here with this big massive push down. Again, there is another level of liquidity we can see here on the 4-hour time frame with the squares as well. And then when we go into the 5-minute time frame, you can see exactly where my entry was. So my entries were more based on the breakout that did happen here. I managed to catch my entry right about there. And of course, with the news that came around 1:30 p.m. in the UK, which is London time, we saw this massive buy big breakout right here for a trade that went up about 45 pips. Now, hopefully we're seeing a continuation of this move, and then hopefully price action can go towards my take profit level, which is all the way up here. This might take a day or 2 days to get to, but this is what swing trading is. Now, if we head over to the Discord, you can see right over here, there is proof of this trade that I took right here, which was the first trade I took in Asian session. And then when we go down a little bit more, we can see there was another trader that actually took NZD USD buy, and he actually managed to pass phase 2 on his prop firm account. This is why I tell traders that if you do join me over a period of time, it is a possibility that you will be able to pass your prop firm challenge with the trade setups that I do give out. Of course, not all of them are going to win, but if you're patient with me and you take the time, you will eventually pass your prop firm. And over here is the second part of the trade, which adds up to $750. If you go into my testimonials area, this was another person that was testing out one of the buy limits that I actually spoke about. And you can see that was a 1 to 10 hour trade with the actual pending order level I gave out in my Easy Enterprise signal group. And you can see over here, this was the same gentleman that passed phase 2, and he actually took a gold trade as well. And this is someone else actually using the break of structure alert system. So you can see straight away over here, this person managed to get their account back up by $6,500. And this was trading the NASDAQ, which I actually went over in my video. So guys and girls, if you do want to get onto the pre-order list to get yourself NEO, there's only 15 spaces for lifetime access, which is 100 GBP. This is a limited time offer, and when the indicator is out, it will cost more money for lifetime access. I'm trying to let everybody get into this service so they actually have the chance to sit down and master what NEO can provide for them, and even find a way they can trade this themselves. You will have all of these VIP services that you can see on the screen at the moment as well. And trust me guys and girls, you do not want to miss out on this. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you do want to hit me up, that can be in Discord or Telegram. All of the payment information is below as well in the description of this video. And right now, it's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.